How to add about on LinkedIn profile. So I'm going to show in this video how you can add your summary or how you can add your headline, your profile headline. So then let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you to like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let's start with the video. So here first you have to log in with your LinkedIn profile in your account, then go to your profile page, just click on this arrow and go tap on view profile. Then your profile will be open. Okay, so now here you can see this is heading. Okay, and this is about you, which is show here, right here, about. So both you can add. If you want to add a heading, you have to click on this pencil icon and you can add heading here. Okay, and just save it. Now if you want to add your about us, tap on add section and go to the about and click on it. Okay, it is already add because it is not clickable now. If you don't add, it will be click and it will be open. Okay, but if you want to edit, just go down and you can edit from here. Click on edit. So from here you can edit and save it. Okay, if you first time add, you have to add from there. Okay, so it is internet problem. Yeah, it is saved now. So if you want, if you're going to first time add, go to that section and you can add from here. Click on it, so it will be open. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.